This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade chicken stock. Gather bones, vegetables, water, and aromatics, then set a large pot on the stove. Start with cold water to extract maximum flavor and bring to a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil. Skim any foam for clarity, then simmer for 3 to 4 hours for rich taste. Strain, cool rapidly, and portion into containers or ice cube trays for easy use. Select bones with some cartilage and roasted bits for body and color. Add roughly chopped carrots, celery, and onion to create a classic mirepoix base that layers flavor. Toss in a bay leaf, peppercorns, and a sprig of thyme for gentle aromatics that won't overpower. Keep salt out of the pot so you can control seasoning later, and consider adding a splash of vinegar to help draw minerals from the bones. Set your pot on low heat so the surface barely trembles, and let the stock develop for several hours. Use a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to strain solids, then cool the liquid in an ice bath to speed refrigeration. Skim fat once chilled if you prefer a leaner stock, or freeze in measured portions like 1-cup containers for easy meal prep. Label and date containers to rotate stock efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.